Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. Before looking into that, let us see where the price is expected to open. This is a Nifty index futures chart, and yesterday we thought the price will come down, and the same thing happened, the price came down. So today we are expecting a lower opening near 10,560, or just below that. Obviously there will be some major changes in the option pricing. We could, since we are posting this video presentation much earlier due to some reasons. So our focus will be on 10,400 and 10,450 put options. Since the price is expected to come down, the option premium will increase. Focus on these three, even 10,350, 400, 450, all these three premium. Right after the opening, just look into the premium, see if any of the premium is near 20 or 22, go and buy the put option, expecting that the price will come down, because the maximum stop loss will be the same. Why we are going to try to buy at 20 is because our maximum stop loss zone is only 20 points. Normally we used to keep 22 points, but here in this case 20 points. Since the price is approaching near expiry, the delta will be growing crazy. So please book your profit and exit from the market once you get profit. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.